Thank you for calling pre-customer service. This is Veronica. How can I help you?
No, I'm not dealing with pre-customer service anything today. I want to speak to the real estate
Automatic disconnect. Pre-customer service. This is Veronica.
Do not hang up on me again.
Do not detected automatic disconnect. Pre-customer service. This is Veronica. How can I help you?
Please do not hang up on me. Okay? Please don't hang up on me. I need to speak to customer.
Right now you're at a level 2, so I still wouldn't be able to transfer you.
I cannot. I don't understand.
Level rejected. Automatic disconnect. Pre-customer service. This is Veronica.
Yes. Can I please speak with customer service? I need to resolve my issue.
Sure. Let me go ahead and transfer you since you're at a level 1. One moment, please.
Thank you.
Customer service. How can I help you?
Finally. I'm so glad that I finally got away from that.
You see, I was testing you and you failed. Okay. Level 3 to handle it. Automatic. Goodbye.
You wanted to see me? Hi, Veronica. Yes, come on in. Have a seat. What's up?
Yeah, so I just wanted to talk to you about something. You're doing great. You are on par with everything that you're expected to do. I just feel like you're not really going the extra mile. Like you're not taking on additional tasks. You're not asking for more. You know what I mean? So just to make sure that I have this clear, I'm meeting expectations, yes? On paper, yes, you're meeting expectations. I want you to want more. There are 3 positions higher than me, and those people have been there for about 20 years. So what exactly would exceeding expectations get me? Because I assume just because I exceed expectations doesn't mean I'm going to be getting a raise or a bonus or anything like that, correct? What I want you to understand is that not everything's about money. Sometimes you just got to do things, right? And those things will eventually pay off. So what I want from you is to want more. I know I've said that a couple times, but I just feel like that is the point of my meeting with you today. I basically want you to do more so that it can help you in the future. So I'm currently doing my job. I'm doing exactly what's expected of me, but you want more. But you're not willing to pay me more. I just want to make sure that I have it correct. I don't want you to misunderstand me. I just want to make sure that we can count on you. Absolutely. You can always count on me to do exactly what my job description outlines. Yes, essentially you are meeting expectation.